Want to create eye-catching whiteboard animations without spending hours or learning complex software? Today, I'll show you how to create professional, engaging animations using Canva. But before we begin, let's watch the output first.
One day, father asked son, "Do you know about red car theory?" Son replied, "No, father." Then father asked, "How many red car did you notice today?" Son replied, "I don't remember, father." Father replied, "Now when we are going outside, and I will tell you, for every red car you notice, you'll get $50. Then father asked, "Would you know how many red cars would you see?" Son excited tells, "Yes." Then father replied, "That's how luck and opportunities work." Father then again adds, "When you go through life and you are not looking and you are not aware, they just pass by and you don't even notice. So you have to be aware to achieve your goal."
We need stories, so to generate unique story you can use ChatGPT. So after generating your story, come to Canva. Canva is by far the most simple animation software in compared to other softwares. Create new design. Since we will be using this for social media, I will use Instagram format, but you can choose your format. To make whiteboard animation, first we need to create our static image. To do that, go to Elements tab and search for your character. My story is about father and son conversation, so I will use the character image. This looks nice. Bring it in our design and resize it. Once you are satisfied with the character, just download it. Make sure you download in PNG or JPG format. Click on Download. Now you can create other elements and download, but make sure you download in PNG or JPG format. Now, I will input other elements in my design. I have used the same technique, so to save your time, I will fast forward this step for other elements. Let's generate voiceover for our story. I will use 11 Labs for this storytelling. Click on any character and listen to their voice, and whichever you think match with your story, select it. After you are satisfied, hit that generate button and download it. Now the part comes where we will create whiteboard animation. I have removed all the previous element as have used the same format. You can also do the same. Now go to Apps from left side of Canva and search for Speed Painter. Click on this dog icon. Now choose the files which we have created using Canva. Select this design and select Sketch Duration and Color Fill Duration. Here is your output. Make sure you click on Add to Design. Then adjust. Go back. And click on this delete icon to upload other images. And keep doing the same until all your images are animated. Now it's time to bring our voice over to our design. Bring your audio file to your design. Go to Upload and upload your file here, or just drag and drop it to Canva. Make some adjustments so it matches with the audio. After you are satisfied, click on Download